on that one.
Hey guys, welcome to week 452 in hashtag Realtor Life. And today for Realtors and Cars, I have with me Shannon Quagliatta, and she has developed a new app, which I thought would be really cool for you guys to know as, I guess, buyers and sellers to kind of understand how technology is changing in the world of real estate. We know that most consumers are on their mobile devices when shopping these days. So I wanted to share with you her new product.
Yes, thank you,
Welcome.
Wendy. Pre-Open House is the first open house platform, and it is a website and a mobile app. We have all the open houses in Arizona on our platform. They're easy to save, map. They're easy to instantly message the agent within the house for the first time. And what's really different about our app as opposed to another app or another way to find open houses online is you can now instantly message an open house agent asking him questions, directions, special showing times, and you don't have to share your personal information with them. Right now online, if you even want to ask a question, your private personal information, email address, and phone number gets sent to who knows who.
Some random agent.
And the only time you have to share your information is when you actually check into the open house. So you get to meet the person that is actually in the house for the first time.
So you guys know, like when you're online, you're searching for a house in Scottsdale, Arizona or whatever, and you have to register. Well, that's really a lead feed to that agent.
Yes.
You probably all experienced that before, which is frustrating. And then you start getting bombarded with emails. And really the goal is to find an agent you like and trust.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly. So that's what is so nice about going to open houses. If you don't have a realtor, I think it's the best way to meet them. And I think a lot of consumers don't realize that if they go on another website and they ask to show a property, the agent that meets them at the house that they've never met before, if they show them the house and they want to buy the house, they are now legally obligated to use that agent as their realtor. Whereas in an open house, it's a little different. You can walk in, you can meet the agent, and you can say, actually, I really do like you. I would like you to represent us. But that is an option. It is not an option online if you actually call somebody and say, can you show me the house? You have no idea who they are. They could have a license for 2 hours, which isn't a bad thing. It just, you know, you don't know how experienced they are. And I think that's where other platforms really do a disservice to consumers.
And it kind of makes you guys, it's called procuring cause actually. So if you got to keep that in mind, where this way it's not kind of the Wild West. You do have a designated agent that can represent you in that neighborhood, that you are being fairly represented. They know the neighborhood. You're not just getting some stranger that you don't really want to use and you kind of feel forced into using. So.
Yep. And yeah,
and
it also is a great way if you are working with a realtor, because our technology allows you to check into the open house and you can actually check in, you can sign in, so that agent gets a register of everybody that has come in the house, but your agent will be notified that you are in an open house, and that agent also in the open house knows you're represented. So it's really a great way as realtors and consumers to keep tabs on each other, and that agent to also know what open house you were in, so that they don't have to look it up and the home buyer goes, I don't remember where it was. And that has happened a lot, where
it becomes a whole thing, right?
Yeah, it becomes a thing. And then so now they can actually, that they get a notification. I have agents calling me all the time right now going, this is great. Like, I didn't even know my clients were out looking around.
Yeah,
so
we know you guys are doing that.
Way,
we know you're wandering about on the weekends. So we have to wrap up for this week. But as always, I hope you find that this was valuable. And if you have anybody looking to buy or sell in real estate, I hope you please send them my way. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me, and I'll talk to you next week for hashtag Realtor Life. Talk to you soon.